Kusenjalo Isishoshovu somkhankaso weFees must fall uKanya Cekeshe kungenzeka siwudlele ekhaya ukhisimuzi naso. Lokhu kuza emva kokuthi umengaemeli wezwe ememzele ngokuncishiswa kwezigwebo okukhethekile namhlanje. uCekeshe usedonse iminyaka emibili ejele ngeqhaza lakhe emibhikishweni weFees must fall. Manje usekufanele ukuthola ushwele.
1999 emva kwesikhathi kuliwe ezinkantolo sekunenhlasana yethemba kuKanya Cekeshe. uCekeshe wayengumholi wabafundi enyuvesi yaseWits waboshwa ngo-2016 ngecala ukuthungela ngomlilo iveni yamaphoyisa ngesikhathi sombhikisho weFees must fall. uCekeshe walivuma icala wagwetshwa iminyaka emihlanu ebhadla ejele. Ngomfumfu waphosela inselele isigwebo sakhe kodwa umzamo wakhe awuzange uphumelele. Useke waba nezinkinga zezempilo kusukela esejele uke walashwa nempilo yengqondo.
Kanya Cekeshe also benefit 12 months. He's supposed to be released, I think, somewhere in terms of parole. It could be somewhere in February or so. But therefore, this decision means that he becomes eligible for parole immediately. He can then apply for those processes. And in an operational process between the regional commissioner in Gauteng, his family, and Mr. Cekeshe himself, a proper processes will unfold that will then determine when can he be released.
It's obviously
a great relief for us that they saw it fit to pass this remission process. As the minister has explained, we now need to follow through with the process of applying for parole because, we understand that that's also not a given. There are processes to follow. The process of a presidential pardon, now part, or even the appeal process for sentence does not stop because of what has happened today. Ultimately, the goal is to get his record expunged so that he can continue with his life.